Going to look. I know Bean wanted to go ride, so let's go. Come on. Yes, sir. He wants to go ride, so what we're gonna do is he's gonna get on his bike and we're gonna go ride around the neighborhood for a second. He's ready to go, man. This boy ready to go. He's like, can we go to the Walmart? He wants to take his bike on the main road so bad. Just like, bro, we can't do that yet. Can't do that yet. Not yet, man. You know what? What's funny is that I actually thought that I was going to hate putting these mirrors back on. And I don't. Very weird. When I first got the bike, I did not like the mirrors. I thought it looked kind of goofy. But they're actually perfectly made for this bike. Perfectly made for this bike. The only thing I kind of wish is that they actually dipped it in to match more of the body. It's that weatherproof black, which is fine because it doesn't get all nasty, but I'm gonna try to use some of that black polish stuff and see what it does. I might end up spraying this damn thing too, but we'll see, man. Yes, sir. That's how it is. We getting it. Hey, my man on his bike. You rolling? You ready? Let's go. Let's go. Gonna lead? You leading? Get on your side of the road, dude. Car. I'll lead. Take your time, boss. Let me lead, come on. Stay behind me. Hey, slow slow down. You're gonna wait for the car. Alright. Going left. Slow down, dude. You gotta slow down, man. Pay attention. You gotta follow the rules of the road. We're going left. Ready? Come on. You can lead. Just be careful. What's up? Yeah.